Yes. So I play a project manager role, and I'm part of a team called Client Success Program. And this program is more related to the enhancing clients' experience within UST. So it has been an excellent uh, session. I mean, it started off with yesterday morning, and we never are identifying that it's the time is kind of flying, and the sessions are very engaging, and the inputs and takeaways from each of the sessions are very good. By which we, I mean, this the servant leadership style is very much even aligned to our UST's the values and culture and how we handle things at UST. So that is the relevance of this leadership program which I kind of enrolled. So I'm really enjoying it. Definitely, I mean it's been a list of takeaways actually. So before we kind of enrolled to this or started with this session, we actually took our MSLA report, which helps us to understand where we stand. And during the course of the session, we were actually given more details about each and every behavior that we should work on. What are the key actionable items that we should plan for a 30, 90, 60 days time period. So eh, it's a list of things that we have to kind of work on to work to get this moving, and then basically practice that in our day-to-day life. So a lot of things actually. This is pretty much, it is practically possible, and this is going to be adding value to the organization as is, because see, the focus is more on the people, right? So yeah,
Absolutely.
so once the focus is more on the people, and when we are actually doing something for the people, obviously it's going to come back to the organization as in a positive way. So it's pretty much, it is applicable, and it is very much aligned to our UST values and culture that we follow. So I'm really happy that UST is taking such a great effort in doing this 2-day workshop to as many number of associates as possible.
Absolutely. Wonderful. Thank you, Rajesh, once again for coming down and attending the 2-day workshop. Thank you for your investment. Looking forward to collaborate with you and let us build more leaders within UST.
Yes, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure, and I mean, it has been a wonderful experience. And I'm going to kind of also request our team members, who are going to take up the next, when they are trying to lead the teams, right? This is something that they should be really aware of, and I'm going to request them to participate in whichever location they are, and whenever the next session is going to be there for them. So.